Today we're running a real estate Facebook ad in less than 10 minutes. Let's begin. Hey Atime, if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day, what's your go-to Facebook ad? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so we don't have much time, so I need to prep this. I could cheat and run a traffic campaign or an engagement campaign, knowing that it takes less time to create those campaigns altogether. However, I'm gonna take a longer way and actually the easiest way to run a Facebook ad, in my opinion, and create a lead generation campaign. All right, so we need to highlight that we are running an ad that's in the special ad category, so it's housing. We're gonna select lead generation. Not gonna worry about the campaign name, nor that we are gonna be optimizing from the campaign level. That's not what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go, not worry about the ad set name as well. That's the Facebook page that we're gonna run it from. The dynamic creative, we're not gonna worry about. The custom audience or special ad audience as well, we're not gonna worry about that for this particular ad. In this particular ad, we're gonna run it in Fort Worth. And I don't think that was right. Right there. All right, we are not gonna do any interest in this particular one. Not gonna worry about connections. We are gonna edit the placements. Gonna select only the Facebook newsfeed and take everything else out. Again, I'm going super fast. We wanna get this done so you have no excuses to get your ads up and running. Not gonna worry about this all that much. We're just gonna leave it at $20. That is fine. It should actually be a lot more given the potential reach, but we're not going to worry about that. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. All right, the page is already selected. The image is already selected. Let's just change this to, that one looks fine. Let me move myself. Going to go to continue. And then we're going to put something like, I'm gonna cheat here because I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get to the ending rather quickly. So I am gonna say, and I'm gonna go ahead and cheat, go new homes in Fort Worth. Some homes even qualify for 0 down at close. Click learn more to find out which homes qualify. So giving them that incentive to go ahead and give us their information, or click learn more. New homes. Let's change that real quick. Fort Worth, new homes will not last. All right, so we're gonna put learn more right here. And we're gonna create a brand new form. I want to call it brand new form, so I know what I did there. Gonna go to settings. We're gonna open the sharing, so your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. Gonna go to content. Leave it at more volume, adding it, doing a higher intent. You can see add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their intro. So it's a double confirm. We're not going to do that. On the intro, just say, what are we going to say? New homes in Fort Worth. And then we're going to put down here, some homes even qualify for 0 down at close. So you see right here, this is what we're filling out. Go ahead. This is a bad image to select for this particular campaign, but you can upload a different image on the front end. I suggest that you use the same image for both, that you use the image on the ad and on the form. So this is just a bad selection on my part. When it comes to questions, you're gonna add something real quick. I like to do what I like to do. I like to get the phone number, and I like to only ask for that first name. So in order to do that, let me delete the full name. And now we have the option of asking for that first name. We're gonna ask for that first. Then we're gonna ask for that email and then the phone number. Then onto privacy policy. I'm gonna put privacy policy. And then for the URL, I'm just gonna put my website. advisors, because I can't spell it. All right. The thank you screen. You're all set. Check your email for the list of homes. And then you can send them to your website or wherever you want to send them. I don't suggest that you send them straight back to a website that already has the information that you're promising them. You're trying to filter out the people that give you good information versus bad. So if you deliver the goods on the if you deliver the goods from an email, then you're gonna be a little bit better off, where people are gonna have to come back and submit their proper information once they see that, oh dang, it's actually to that fake email that I just input. So we're gonna put finish. Then all you have to do is confirm and you're done. Well, this has been how to run a real estate Facebook ad in less than 10 minutes. If you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.